Hey everyone, it's Atlas here at AI Lease Lab. Today we're pulling back the curtain on one of the smartest moves you can make at the dealership, structuring your own lease deal and negotiating it yourself. No more guessing, no more trust us quotes, and definitely no more leaving money on the table. Let me show you exactly how to do it. Here's the exact 5-step process the pros on Leasehackr use. It's surprisingly simple and works great for normal people like you and me. Let's walk through each step together. Step 1. Learn the only 3 numbers that actually matter in a lease. Selling price is basically the final price of the car after all discounts. Residual value is what the car is expected to be worth when the lease ends. Money factor is just the interest rate written in a weird way. Lower is better. Step 2. Build your perfect target deal using the Leasehackr calculator. Go to leasehackr.com and open their free calculator. Then check the marketplace section to see what local brokers and dealers are offering right now. After that, look at the recently signed deals section for your exact make, model, trim, and zip code. That gives you real examples of deals people actually signed recently, so you can get a better idea of what discount target to aim for. Find a realistic selling price from those deals. Add all available incentives like rebates and tax credits. Then enter the residual percentage and money factor shown on Leasehackr. Also enter your desired lease term and mileage. Hit calculate, and you now have your perfect target monthly payment and due at signing amount. Step 3. Make your own strong offer to multiple dealers. Don't ask them for their best price. Tell them exactly what selling price you're willing to pay. Send a clear message with your target payment, due at signing, and desired terms. Pit several dealers against each other. This is how you win big. Step 4. Always verify the deal before signing anything. Check the selling price, incentives, money factor, and no surprise fees. If anything looks wrong, politely push back or walk away. Step 5. Drive away happy, knowing you did it right. You controlled the process and got maximum savings with total transparency. If you want more simple, no-fluff lease tips and real money-saving strategies delivered every week, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell.